Ayan, so welcome everyone. I would like to formally open this presentation for all of you. Ayan, and rest assured na hindi masasayang ang inyong oras dahil po actually triple win po kayo ngayon, no? Because in this presentation, you will have triple wins. Ano yung mga yon? Of course, you will get to discover how to save money, how to get healthy, and how to make money. Yan. But first of all, syempre, I would like to wish you, dahil nasa month pa rin tayo ng May, of course, ito yung mga blessings na i-wish ko po sa inyo, no? For the month of May. May your finances multiply. Naku po, abundance. May your health improve. Sana po ay malakas po tayong lahat. And may your friends be blessed, no? May your family be loved. May your pain be less. Or mas maganda pag walang pain. May your worries disappear and may God bless you always. Okay, so God bless us all. So, magpapakilala lang po tayo ng konti, very, very brief lang. Ako po ang inyong presenter for today, Maria Jeanette Sajonas po, from Baguio, pero tubong Pangasinan po ako. And I built my career sa Baguio City, unang-una as a telephone operator and as a customer service sa isang telecommunication company, PLTEL and PLDT. And I also ventured on broadcasting. I was a former anchor and promotions at Sky TV, Sky Cable Baguio. And I ventured on advertising then. So I advertise yung mga companies related sa innovation. Yan. And then because life is scarce in the Philippines po, and I am a single mom hanggang ngayon, no? I decided to venture po dito to seek greener pasture. Kaya po ako napunta dito sa Canada. So currently, I am a healthcare practitioner dealing with seniors. Nasa recreation po tayo. So I entertain seniors po, no? So sa mga daily activities po nila. And at the same time, I do one-on-one din po. So at first, medyo hindi po ako komportable nasa healthcare dahil nga galing ka sa sales. So it was like getting out of my comfort zone talaga. But then I have no choice. Kailangan because we have to put food on the table. Until I got so in love with my job, no? Yan. So ngayon, I was trying to move away. There was a time last year, was it last year or 2 years ago na gusto ko uling bumalik sa sales, sa active job. But then, I hindi ko mapabayaan yung I really have a soft spot for seniors kasi dahil siguro laking lolo at lola kaya po siguro ganon. So I stick with this industry, healthcare, and I'm doing Live Good part-time but with full-time attitude. Ayan, sabi nga, pag gusto mong gawin ng isang bagay, may paraan, di ba? Ayan, so I make sure that I have time, I manage my time doing Live Good. And again, on the side, bukod sa pagiging healthcare practitioner ko po, bukod sa pagiging part-time ko sa Live Good, I am also a Reiki practitioner. Of course, dealing with energy healing. Bakit ko kinailangan yon? Dahil at times masyadong napapaligiran tayo ng mga negative energy. So I took the course master ng Reiki energy, Reiki, and nakakatulong naman yon sa mga seniors. So hindi siya kasi diretso na massage. So, it complements sa ginagawa ko po ngayon. Yan. Okay, so much more about me because this is about you and the opportunity na isi-share ko po sa inyo ngayon, no? Ayan, so again, sabi ko nga po, hindi ho kayo manghihinayang na mag-a-attend dito dahil po triple win po kayo ngayon. Ayan. Okay, so ano nga ba ang pag-uusapan natin, no? It is something that is actually a very very good opportunity. It is something na talagang masasabi mo na game changer. Yan. Bakit game changer? Why? Because this is the first time na makikilala nyo ang ganitong kumpanya with a very, very different model, no? And actually, tinawag siya na disruptor. It has actually created a great disruption in this industry of what? Multi-level marketing, no? Or network marketing. So, kung kayo po ay first time ninyo at narinig nyo po itong word na network marketing, then sasabihin ko na po sa inyo, whatever you know about network marketing, in the past, kalimutan po muna ninyo at kakaiba po ang maririnig nyo ngayon. Okay? Ayan, so it's here. I-reveal na natin agad, ano? Ayan, so welcome to Live Good, the membership that pays. It is the company that has created the great disruption and shock this industry. And alam nyo, bakit tinawag na disruption to? Because it's trying to fix two things, no? It is solving the sick care model na tinatawag. And of course, yung pangalawa, it is also fixing the broken industry of multi-level marketing. Yan, ano kaya ibig sabihin nun? It's trying to solve the sick care model. Ano ba yung sick care model? No, malalaman nyo yan as we go along. Yan, so for the first time in almost 100 years, ang industriyang ito has experienced a major disruption. A disruption nobody saw coming, and a disruption that shocked this industry. Gaya nga po ng sabi ko, no, ito na. Ano ba yung previous na mga model ng ganitong industriya, no? Yan. So, ang previous model kasi, no, as early as 1938, doon nag-umpisa yan na ang ganitong model, you could earn from your own sales at the same time sa lahat ng team mo or your team members. Ganun yung umpisa ng model until eventually nag-evolve siya, binago, nagkaroon ng stair steps, and then nagkaroon ng binary, and then nagkaroon ng more model, pero ang laging concept is you earn from your sales and the sales of yung distributors. Iba-iba lang na anyo, iba-iba lang ng concept. But then na-disrupt yun, no? When Live Good came, why? Dahil binago na niya yung industriya, no? Na-disrupt siya dahil nag-introduce siya ng bagong concept or bagong model. And it is solving two problems, yung sick care model. Ano ba yung sick care model na binabanggit din ni Ben, no, sa video, yung ating CEO? Yung sick care model na yan, ito yung model na yung dati na you care only about recruiting people, you care only about having sales, you are chasing numbers, kumbaga. So wala na yung being genuine, nawawala na yung essence ng talagang ganitong industriya na network marketing, kasi ang talagang essence ng network marketing is support, empowerment, and of course yung pagiging genuine, and of course yung real wellness. So yun yung nawala kasi mas particular na yung yung numbers, chasing numbers and ranks, chasing mga nare-recruit natin. So yun yung sinasabing sick care model. So yung isa naman, yung traditional MLM na sinasabi, it's fixing the broken industry, yun naman yung concept niya na there is purchase requirement, there is auto ships, there is point value. So yun naman yun. And of course, overprice and price gouging. So yun ang itatackle natin today, no? So napaka-importante ang timing. Why? Timing matters. Sabi nga, timing is everything. Dahil sa old model, 95% ng distributors in this industry don't make money anymore, no? And of course, dahil nga sa ngayon, people are moving away from expensive products, no? Yan. So, ang nangyayari is hindi na naka-align yung old model sa nangyayari sa economy. So they are sick and tired of paying for expensive products every month. And again, dahil sa nangyayari ulit sa economy, people quit this industry on average in 2.8 months. Yan, dahil mahal nga yung price ng mga products natin. Overpriced products and my price gouging. Yan. And of course, they don't want you to know na ganito yung mga nangyayari sa old model, no? Perhaps, kahit ho kayo, baka wala po kayong naging network marketing success. Or maybe this industry lets you down. Dahil nga sa overpriced product and because of price gouging, every person na i-approach nyo, no? Nire-reject kayo or maybe sasabihin sa inyo, nako, may mas mura dyan sa inaalok mo. Well, it is because, di ba, ngayon yung social media, mapaprice compare mo na eh. Especially during the pandemic, naging bargain hunters ang mga tao, right? So, or maybe perhaps hindi mo alam, no, na itong industriyang to, the old model does not work anymore. Yan. So, given those reasons, do not worry. Again, it is not your fault, no? Kung may na-experience kayo, alinman sa mga binanggit natin o sa nakikita nyo sa slides, don't worry because it is not your fault. It is because of the model na hindi naka-align sa marketplace ngayon, no? Yan. Okay, so you have to understand that. So, start afresh. I-reboot nyo muna ang inyong mindset and be open. Open your heart and mind sa i-introduce natin ngayon. And I would like to welcome you to the revolution because this company, you know, has this concept, and with the own words of our director of network marketing, actually may bagong ano na siya, title. It's not yet clear, no? Director of Field Development na po yata ang magiging bagong position ni Noder Kazan. So ang sabi niya, the days of selling overpriced products just so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are finally over. So wala po tayong pag-uusapan dito na overpriced products, and of course, wala tayong pag-uusapan na price gouging. Yan. And I would like to take you to a place, no, wherein you would just have to forget everything about what you know sa network marketing. Yung kalimutan nyo muna about AutoShips because merong isang company like LiveGood na hindi natin pag-uusapan ang AutoShip. And of course, dito hindi natin pag-uusapan din na oy, kailangan kang mag-order every month, no? Because dito, ang pag-uusapan natin, you could order what you want, when you need it. No? It is not because kailangan mong mag-order dahil obligado ka. Right? Yan. So, dito wala din tayong pag-uusapan na isang item, isang product nagko-cost ng $70, $90, or $130 because wala nga tayong price gouging. So we will be talking about products na nagko-cost ng $9, $15, $18, or I would say mga products na mapapurchase natin at almost cost price or wholesale price, no? And wala tayong pag-uusapan dito na you have to monitor your team. Baka kulang sila ng points na at the end of every month, kailangan mag-place sila ng order or else you would lose your position. At the same time, sila hindi makakakuha ng komisyon. No? So walang chasing of ranks and volumes dahil ang products natin dito walang point value. Wala tayong SV, VV, PV, or any points. No? Ayan. And of course, ang very good news, no? Just like wala tayong pag-uusapan dito na heavy entry. So it will not cost you a fortune to get started. Wala tayong package. Wala tayo nung kailangan i-purchase mo yung package na worth 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 just for you to get started. O, di ba? Napakaganda. Are you happy? Are you happy na ganito ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon? Makikita nyo naman, dito pa lang, mafe-feel nyo na magaan na ang pag-uusapan natin. Magaan na ang opportunity na to. Intindihin nyo lang. And of course, wala din tayong pag-uusapan dito na na-expire yung product ko. Andiyan na naman yung product ko, kaka-debit lang last week. Andiyan na naman, on the way na. So, ang nangyayari, no? Puno na yung pantry nyo o kaya yung kwarto ninyo hanggang sa ma-expirean kayo ng product. So, wala po tayong ganun dito. And pag naintindihan nyo po ang negosyong ito, ang opportunity na ito, well, for sure, hindi kayo bibitaw. Again, conditional yon. Pag naintindihan nyo at nagawa nyo ng tama ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon at ang opportunity ngayon, people cannot quit or you will not quit. Dahil pag nakita nyo ito at naintindihan, once you see this, you can never unsee it. Okay? Ayan. And it is, everything has just made easier. And everything will be possible. Lahat ng mga imposible sa mga sinalihan po natin na ganitong model, magiging posible na ho. So it is possible for you and it is possible for me and of course it is possible for everyone. Yan. So this opportunity actually is for anybody. Walang hinihinging educational requirement, no? You just have to understand it and that's it, no? Yan. Okay, so I would like to introduce Live Good, no? Napakagandang pangalan, Live Good. Mabuhay ka ng tama, magandang buhay. Live and get out of debt. Sabi niya, no? G-O-O-D. Live and get out of debt. Diba? Pag wala kang utang o kaya na-deload ka, diba? Talagang ang sarap mabuhay, no? Peace of mind. You will have peace of mind at masasabi mo na talagang ito ang buhay, right? Okay, so Live Good is the first to market membership club in network marketing. Of course, it is driven by subscription. And it is the company that decided to fix the broken network marketing model. So binanggit ko na po yun kanina. Why it is fixing the broken industry, the broken network marketing model, no? Yan. Again, Live Good is the membership that pays. Maybe na-intriga po kayo dito. Wow, membership that pays. Hindi ba tayo yung nagbabayad ng membership? Yes, no? So, I'm pretty sure familiar po kayo dun sa word na membership because we have been using that for years. Nare-rename lang. Yung ginagamit niyo po, yung household bill niyo, yung city services niyo. Yan, so it is called na yung monthly bill. But actually, membership din yan. Dahil pag hindi ka nagbayad dyan, pag na-miss out mo ang magbayad, mapuputulan ka ng service, right? Ayan, yung iba sa telephone bill natin or sa cellphone bill, it's called plan. Naka-plan ka ng plan 1,000, 1,300. Yung internet ninyo, no? So, pag hindi mo binayaran yan, nadi-disrupt yung service, right? So, yan, called, it could be deemed a subscription or plan ang tawag natin dyan. And of course, ngayon, there are so much more companies. Yung gym, yan, your gym, yung hotel, di ba? Meron yung mga, anong tawag doon? Time-shared na membership din na babayaran mo yung membership mo every year, pero entitled kang mag-spend doon, libre ang hotel accommodations mo, meron kang points, and then meron kang number of days na mag-i-stay for 1 year. So, membership din po yon. And then, wag na po tayong lalayo. Pag titignan nyo po ang inyong phone, pumunta po kayo sa App Store, sa Play Store, yan, makikita nyo, ang dami pong mga subscription-based companies dyan na gaya po nito, no? Example na lang po natin, itong ginagamit natin ngayon actually is a subscription model, no? So, ito pag hindi nakasubscribe si Coach Fernan, ang mangyayari is every 45 minutes mapuputol tayo and then limited din ang makaka-attend po dito. Yan. So, those are just example of memberships or those companies that are driven by subscription. So, somehow, doon po naka-align ang Live Good. Only that, ang edge natin is that our membership pays, no? So, pag nag-avail ka ng ganitong membership, hindi ka lang makaka-avail ng yung usual na benefits natin sa membership clubs, savings, freebie, savings, ano pa, on discounts, no? Kundi babayaran ka. So yun ang edge natin sa ibang membership. Dahil bukod pa doon, we don't have monthly auto ships. Once you become a member of this club, wala kang monthly auto ships. You could order what you want when you want at almost cost price. Walang chasing of ranks, no starting from zero, no paying of thousands to get started. And uulitin ko, once you understood this membership club, no more people quitting. Yan. And of course, pinaka-importante po, no, I would like you to meet our corporate team, or we call them the disruptors. They are actually the people behind Live Good. Okay, so starting off with the brainchild of the company, Mr. Ben Glinsky, siya ang CEO and founder. The primary reason why I joined Live Good, because I've experienced his headship. I've experienced his leadership. So, paano ko na-experience? Dahil nag-join ako sa previous company niya. And doon niya nakita na yung old model does not work anymore sa market. Doon niya din nakita na ang daming mga tao na hindi kumikita, na 1% lang pala of the entire industry ang kumikita ng $3,000 to $5,000 per month. And 4% ang kumikita ng $300 to $500 per month. And 95% sa industriyang ito ay hindi kumikita or kadalasan abonado pa. So ang sabi niya, it is hurting people. It is hurting even a single mom na gusto lang magkaroon ng extra income. It is hurting a person na dahil kinukulang siya sa kanyang job ay mas lalong imbis na kumita, nag-aabono pa. So sabi niya, oh, it is hurting people na, and it does not align with the true concept of network marketing. So ang sabi niya, he wanted to, he actually retired from this industry. Pero anong nangyari dun sa company niya? Hindi po niya pinabayaan yung mga distributors niya. Since yun pa rin ang trend noon, kahit na nung nakita na niya, actually, he even tried to solve. Sinubukan niyang palitan yung compensation plan, sinubukan niyang ibaba yung mga products, but then, it does not work. Kaya, ang ginawa niya, he walked away from the industry, he collaborated with another company doing the same old model to make sure na yung distributors niya are well taken care of. So, hindi po niya close yung company. He made sure that his distributors are well taken care of by collaborating with another company na merong the same model. Okay, malinaw po yun para kung may marinig po kayo na, close niya yung company daw niya, ay ito, andito na, hindi po totoo yun. Maniwala po kayo dahil po ako member po ng kanyang previous company, no? Ayan. So, you have to get valid information. Ayan. So, that's why mas lalo kong naging solid yung belief ko sa kanya, because you have a CEO, we have a CEO who knows how to help people win. And also, network marketer siya. So, alam niya, may pusong networker siya. Alam niya kung ano ang struggles and challenges ng isang network marketer. And of course, he has a huge experience sa ganitong industriya. But on top of it, marami din po siyang business. So, may golf club, meron din siyang mga restaurants. So, yan, no? And of course, hand in hand with Noder Kazan, actually si Noder ang nag-convince sa kanya to do this concept. Matagal na nilang gustong gawin yung concept. Sabi pa nga ni Ben, someone has to do it. Pero walang gumagawa until such time na nag-usap talaga sila, okay. Sabing ganon, let's do this. Ayan, so doon pinanganak si Live Good. Yan. And of course, ang maganda because they collaborated with a couple na ang passion naman is nasa health and wellness. Especially with Dr. Ryan na sinabi niya, no? I formulate products for my family to use, not to sell. And actually, maganda ang background ni Dr. Ryan because he has a doctorate degree in pharmacy. At the same time, may unique background siya both in natural health, and of course, as a pharmacist. And si Lisa, meron din siyang master's degree sa science and nutrition. Yan. So, very well-versed sila sa ganito. Hindi na bago sa kanila. And ang maganda, kumbaga, iisa ang puso nila. Naka-align yung mission nila to help people. Naka-align yung mission nila to have everyone magkaroon ng access for affordable products, no? Ayan. And for healthy products without breaking their bank or breaking your bank, no? Ayan. So, anong ibig sabihin nito? We are very blessed because we have or we are in a corporate team na talaga namang napakaganda ang leadership. So, true leadership creates true success. Yan. Okay, so we are rest assured na we are in good hands. Hindi po nagtatago ang ating corporate team. Very hands-on sila, very visible. In fact, sila pa rin ang nagpo-promote ng mga products. They have been doing sponsor ads para i-promote. So saan ka nakakita ng isang CEO or mga corporate team na sila mismo hands-on ginagawa yung ginagawa natin, 'di ba? Ayan, so diyan mo makikita that their intention, no? Very intentional sila and mararamdaman mo talaga that Live Good is really a revolution. Live Good is really something that has a true mission in this industry. Ayan. Okay, so Live Good launched in December 2022 sa Jupiter, Florida, and we have more than 1 million members. Never in the industry of or never in the history of network marketing na nagkaroon ng 1 million members in just 13 months. Imagine, no? Yan. Yung sinundan natin na platform, no? Yung sinundan natin, Amazon platform. Amazon did not make 1 million on its first year. Nung second year na niya nagawa yung 1 million members. O, di ba? So, given that fact, kung makikita mo, anong ibig sabihin niyan? Of course, it speaks volume. Ibig sabihin, no, there must be something good in Live Good, di ba? Imagine, 13 months. Again, never in the history of network marketing na nagkaroon ng ganyan kalaking members. Okay? Ayan, so, our membership model, syempre, ang mga members natin will save big sa ating membership model. Again, our membership is the membership that pays. Yan. So, makikita nyo dito sa screen ay yung mga example ng mga other memberships. So, we have YouTube. Familiar kayo dyan, no? Binabayaran din natin yan monthly. Kung ayaw nyo ng merong advertisement, then you subscribe to YouTube Pro. Yan. And of course, we have Amazon Prime, kung saan natin ipinattern yung ating model, no? So, you know how Amazon started? It started in 1995. It started selling books. Saan? Sa sarili niyang backyard, no? Puhunan niya 250,000. Now, in early 2000, Amazon went beyond books. So, nagkaroon ng gadgets, clothing, household items, and so on and so forth. And makikita nyo naman, right now, no, Amazon sells everything under the sun, di ba? Pag nag-type ka sa internet, magta-type ka ng, halimbawa, nag-type ka diffuser. Ano ang unang i-redirect sa'yo ni Google? Amazon. Available. Right? Ayan. So, ganun siya. Netflix. Isa din yan na disruptor and subscription model. So, ano ang dinisrupt naman niya? Dinisrupt niya ang cinema industry. So it offers this kind of company offers wide variety of movies na pwede kang manood, yung mga gusto mong panoorin in the past, no? Ulitin. Yan. So naka-subscribe din tayo dyan, no? Subscription driven din yan. Okay? Yan, depende na sa plan na babayaran mo. And of course, we have Sam's, we have Costco. So mga wholesale membership club yan, kung saan makakakuha ka ng malaking discounts. I am a member of Costco for 9 years, no? And I'm paying, yes, $120 per year. Ano ang benefit ko? Of course, huge discount. Araw-araw ba akong pumupunta sa Costco? Natural, hindi po. Pero binabayaran ko pa rin yung $120. Bakit? Kasi mas malaki ang nakukuha kong benefit, ang nakukuha kong savings kesa dyan sa 120 na binabayaran ko. That is why I patronize Costco. Yan. And of course, kahit si Netflix, kahit na hindi ako araw-araw nanonood, pag may narinig akong magandang movie to, nagbabayad ako monthly for the convenience na anytime na gusto kong manood, meron akong Netflix. Right? Ayan. And of course, kung makikita nyo on the right side, yung kanilang members. This subscription model, napaka-effective. Actually, it is the future of commerce. Nakita nyo naman yung mga members, we're talking about millions here. 30 million, 200 million, 232 million members, 47 million members, 123 million members, 42 million members. So asan pa lang tayo? 1.2 million members. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Ibig sabihin yan, this model really works, and ibig sabihin yan, malayo pa ang mararating ng LiveGood. The good news is, sinasabi yan ni Ben, no? This year, ang projection nila 3 million. And then next year, 20 million. So alam nyo kung nasaan po kayo ngayon, right? Nasaan kayo ngayon? You are in the right place at the right time. The question is, will you be the right person for LiveGood? So, yan ang i-internalize nyo. Right? Okay. So, eto pa, ang good news, no? Merong sinabi si Ben kanina, hindi pa na-switch yung engine. I don't know what engine he is talking about, pero sabi niya, kaya magkakaroon tayo ng ganon karaming members because of that engine. So maraming surprises si Ben. Ben is an IT guy. Alam niya ang ginagawa niya. Ben is a genius. Kaya you just have to trust the corporate team. You just have to trust the company. And rest assured that you will have a lot of beautiful things to happen. Yan. Okay, and on top of that, ito pa yon. Nakita nyo yung mga membership na yan, no? May benefit tayo, may savings, but they don't pay us. The good news about LiveGood is meron ka ng benefit, meron ka ng savings, magiging healthy ka pa, may opportunity ka pa na kumita. That is why, again, uulitin ko, LiveGood is the membership that pays. O, di ba? Ayan. So, hindi mo pinapalakpakan yan para naman may participation po kayo. Ayan, di ba? Exciting. Isn't it exciting, no? Nakaka-excite. Alam nyo, that's why I never get tired of presenting at bakit wala akong script. Kasi gusto ko manggaling sa puso ko yung aking excitement, no? Kahit na paulit-ulit kong naririnig si Ben, yung kanyang energy, pag sinasabi niya, you could really see the sincerity of the person. And ako gusto kong ganun din gawin. Like, i-share sa inyo kahit wala nga itong slide no? For you to see the sincerity, the vision, the mission of this company. Unawain nyo lang po, ay nako po, you have the best opportunity in the planet kung alam nyo lang talaga. No? Ayan, so LiveGood started with actually 17 ang sinabi ni Ben, no? Okay, let's say 20 life-changing products. Ano yung mga products natin? Wellness products with the highest quality, the purest, most natural ingredients, in the most pristine locations, and of course, ang ating mga manufacturing facilities are world class, no? And made in the USA yung mga product natin. So pag made in the USA yan, rest assured na very compliant po tayo, especially sa safety, no? Yan, regulated lahat yan. And of course, USDA approved. Napaka-importante din yan. And yung ating certificate ng GMP. Again, lagi kong sinasabi to, hindi basta-basta binibigay yung GMP certificate na yan. Good manufacturing product or good manufacturing practice na certificate. Kailangan mag-comply ka dun sa components, products, yung raw materials dapat malinis, alam kung saan hinarvest, yan, walang molds, walang pesticides, walang toxins. Okay, yung mga tao, hindi basta-basta yung mga andun sa facility, hindi sila qualified. They should be highly qualified. And of course, yung processes, dapat well-documented yan. Hindi pwedeng nag-process ka lang ng product, hindi documented. And of course, yung procedure, pag halimbawang may binago ka dun sa procedure, kailangan i-declare mo. Okay? And of course, yung premises, again, yung facility, dapat laging malinis yan, dapat na-maintain. So, ibig sabihin, dahil may certificate tayo ng GMP, nakapag-comply tayo. No? And of course, lab-tested for purity and potency ang ating mga products. We have a certificate of analysis. Ano yan? So, yan, sinasabi na lahat ng ingredients ng bawat product, nakalagay dyan, equivalent pati yung amount, no? To make sure na nami-meet ng consumer ang specific need, no? Ayan, so halimbawa kailangan ko, hindi pwede sa akin ang ganitong ingredient, nakikita yon sa certificate of analysis. So, doon po sa mga well-versed, especially sa mga doctors, kung merong doctors po dito, well, they could best interpret yung certificate of analysis na yan. Wala po tayong proprietary blend. Kasi yung proprietary blend na yan, ibig sabihin, hindi sila that transparent. At ang reason nila, bakit may proprietary blend sila, for secrecy, for privacy, para hindi ma-reformulate, hindi ma-duplicate yung product. Ngayon tayo, very transparent, hindi tayo natatakot na ma-reformulate, ma-duplicate yung mga product natin because we know, no, na hindi nila matatapatan yung presyo natin. And of course, sabi ni Ben, ang intention nga natin, ang mission natin is for people to have an access. So kung merong mga companies, ibang company, na kaya tayong tulungan at i-reformulate, why not? Sabi niya. Pero, pero ang tanong, kung matatapatan nila yung presyo, o di ba? So hindi madamot si Ben, di ba? Ayan, so yun yung mga itsy-bitsy information na kailangang malaman nyo na talagang we are in the company na very honest, very transparent, very clean, no? Naka-align siya, they are doing the business in the most moral and ethical way. Diba? And of course, we have our 100% money back guarantee, no? Yung 90-day empty bottle money back guarantee natin na pag hindi nyo nagustuhan yung mga products, hindi tumalab or let's say na walang nangyaring maganda sa inyo or hindi nyo nagustuhan yung lasa, naku po, pwede nyo pong ibalik yun, no? Ibalik nyo lang yung empty bottle and then no questions asked. I-refund po ng company sa inyo. O, di ba? Ayan. Whew. Ayan, okay, di ba? Nakaka-excite, no? Pag merong nasa isang company ka na talaga namang, alam mo yon, hindi ka nag-aalangan because everything is just smooth sailing, di ba? And very confident tayo sa mga products. Okay, so etong nakikita nyo ngayon are just a few of the products that we have. We will not be doing a product demo. We will come to that dahil doon naka-align ngayon yung ating second wave, more on educating the people on how to get started. So ngayon, babanggitin lang natin ang little information about these products para mas ma-appreciate nyo na ang product natin hindi basta-basta. So we have CBD Pain Relief Cream for chronic pain. Main ingredient, cannabidiol, no? So nanggaling sa cannabis plant. So ang cannabis species is actually hemp plant and marijuana. Ang marijuana ginagamit na for medicinal purposes. But take note, hindi po marijuana yung ginamit natin. Ang ginamit po natin is hemp plant. Bakit hemp plant? Because it is not addictive at mababa yung THC content niya. So this is for chronic pain. Kung meron po kayong nararamdamang sakit, ayan, rheuma, arthritis, this is very good. Ayan, so meron tayong CBD oil niyan for depression, anti-anxiety naman. And of course, sa sleep, no? Meron po ako niyan, no? Nakalusot kahit bawal dito sa Canada. May nagpunta sa US, nagpunta dito sa Canada, dinala. Yan. So, na-experience ko ang ating CBD oil. We also have patches, energy and focus patches. Yan. So, maganda yan pag kailangan nyo ng endurance and energy, ayan, especially, andito pala nakalagay yung aking, energy and focus, especially kung kailangan ng focus ang inyong trabaho, or maybe ikaw, kung nafe-feel mo na na-auto-focus ka, you could use that, no? In 30 minutes, mararamdaman mo na. And of course, meron din tayong sleep patches. Kung ikaw ay napakahirap matulog, then you could have the sleep patches. Ilagay mo lang siya dito sa iyong anywhere na konti ang hair, no? Pwede dito sa iyong wrist. Ayan, okay. Okay na po? Ayan, okay, okay. Thank you, Ma'am Myra. And okay na ba? Ayan. Ayun. Tingnan ko nga. Saan ba yung ayun? Okay. So, going back, thank you. Dito po sa collagen, ang sabi ni Dr. Ryan, the earlier na mag-supplement ka ng collagen, kasi as early as 29 to 30, nagdi-decrease na yung collagen natin sa katawan, no? Ang collagen is a Greek word, came from the Greek word colla, which means glue. So, ang collagen is a glue that sticks the body together. So, yan, as we age, no, nadideplete yan, nagdi-decrease. So, ang nangyayari, pag nagdi-decrease yan, nagkakaroon ka ng, brittle bones, nagkakaroon ka ng sagging skin, nagkakaroon ka ng brittle nails, yan. So, falling hair. So, habang maaga na nakakapag-supplement ka, lalo na pag alam natin na as early as late 20s, nagdi-deplete na, kailangan na nating mag-supplement ng collagen. The good news about our collagen, it is hydrolyzed, kaya highly absorbable by the body. At ang maganda niyan is it uses the type 1 and type 3 type of collagen, no? Kasi maraming klase ang collagen, 28 kinds. Bakit ginamit ang type 1 and type 3? Bakit? Alam niyo, kung may pilosopo kayo makakausap, no? Bakit type 1 hanggang 28? Bakit type 1 and type 3 lang? Kasi po, ang type 1 and type 3 ay actually, yun yung collagen na malapit sa human collagen. Yung bovine, no? So, ang bovine or yung collagen na nanggaling sa beef is the closest collagen na malapit sa human collagen natin. Kaya yun po ang ginamit. And of course, bakit collagen peptides? Kasi ang collagen, kailangan ma-break down into amino acids. Hindi mo siya pwedeng kaining buo. Yan. Kaya, yun yung rationale bakit collagen peptides. So, napakaganda ng ating collagen and meron siyang mga special ingredient like velocitol, folynol, yan. So, napakaganda po, of course, for sa bones natin, ligaments, and of course, yun yung sa loob and sa labas, maganda sa hair, sa skin, sa nails, ayan pa. Talagang makikita mo na yung skin ay magiging firm once you use our collagen, no? And of course, we have methylene blue nootropic dissolving strips. Maganda naman to for brain function. Napaka-importante po, no, wag niyong pababayaan ang inyong brain kasi andyan po lahat. Anything, magde-decide ka, magdi-dictate ng gagawin mo, it is the brain. So take care of your brain. This is for brain health. And dissolving strip siya, so nilalagay siya under the tongue, or kung ayaw nyong mag-blue yung tongue nyo, i-dissolve nyo sa water, gamitan nyo ng straw. And ito, every other day, and then you have to go to the early morning sunlight. Tinitake po ito in the morning. Yan. Ngayon, ba't ka magpapaaraw para mas ma-maximize yung effect niya? Okay? So, creatine and HMB, maganda ito for muscle recovery. Pwede ito sa nag-workout, pwede sa babae, pwede sa lalaki. Okay? Yan. And of course, we have essential oils. Napakaganda ng ating essential oils. Alam niyo naman po, pag kayo ay nagpapaspa, no, makikita niyo yung mga spa, may naaamoy kayong magaganda, di ba? So that's essential oil. And it has been used for Ayurveda, for ano pa ba yung mga alternative na sa Reiki, ginagamit ko din po yan, especially when I am doing my meditation, because it triggers your hormones. Yung hormone mo, yun yung nagsisignal sa'yo, sa body mo. Halimbawa, pag gutom ka, yung hunger hormone mo, oops, sasabihin niya, kailangan ko nang kumain. O kaya pag yung stomach mo, nagkrok-krok na, kailangan ko lang it's the hunger hormone. Ngayon, pag ikaw naman ay nakangiti at happy, it is your endorphin or your happy hormone. So itong hormone na to, this is what triggers, ito yung nagti-trigger pag nakakaamoy ka ng essential oil, no? It triggers your hormone. So pwede siyang anti-anxiety, hindi ka na anong tawag nito, hindi ka masyadong depressed, or maybe it could help your migraine, no? So ang maganda sa essential oil natin is aromatical. Gumagamit tayo ng diffuser, pwede ding oral, no? I-dilute mo lang sa water. Pwede din na anong tawag dito? Topical, ina-apply mo siya. Again, you have to use a carrier oil kasi highly concentrated. So, ang daming gamit po ng essential oils. If I have to talk about it, solely lang, naku po, may isang libro po tayo dyan. Ang dami. Pati yung recipe ng essential oils. Ano yung pwede sa'yo? Kung depressed ka, pag may migraine ka, ano yung pwede sa'yo na pwede mong gawing recipe? Ang dami niyan. Pwede mong gamitin even sa gamitin mo siyang parang yung Doni, yan. Ginagamit yan sa mga damit, no? Yan. Nako, sabi ko sa inyo, we could talk whole day pagdating sa essential oils. And of course, there are a lot of products that are coming. We have household products, vitamins for children, naku po, coming soon yan. And detox products, 3 products po na darating this week. In the next 10 days daw. So we have vitamins for children, yung gummies. We have yung hormone support for women. And of course, yung hydration sticks natin. Napaka-importante po itong hydration sticks, especially na kailangan natin talagang mag-increase ng fluid intake. Hindi lang basta water ang kailangan natin. So we need that hydration sticks. And of course, weight loss products. So yung in-introduce po actually, yung in-introduce po na bago ngayon, hindi pa kasama dyan yung weight loss actually kasi itong lean is, ang kanyang goal is not for weight loss. It is for body composition. Kaya tinawag ito na lean, and then may nakalagay doon na body composition improved formula. Kasi ang goal nito is our body composition. So, nakakatulong ito to burn fats without losing your muscle. No, yan. Pero, ay nako, grabe. Yung kanina, nung nag-meeting po kami, yung testimony dyan, pinag-share kami kung ano yung testimony namin sa product. Ako po, ang testimony ko dyan, would you believe, in 2 days, I lost 2.6 pounds. Maniwala kayo o hindi. And then, nag-weigh uli ako kahapon, another 1 pound. So, ang total in 5 days na na-lose ko is 4.4 pounds in 5 days. Yan. So, grabe, no? Nakakatuwa. And ang maganda niyan, walang side effects. As compared dun sa, syempre, nasubukan po natin mga slimming pills noon, no? Hindi siya diuretic. Ibig sabihin, sa akin ang na-feel ko, hindi ako ihi ng ihi. And then normal pa rin. Hindi din siya laxative, yung pumupunta ka lagi sa washroom, no? Ayan, patawad po kung may kumakain, no? So, wala pong ganong effect. Ang effect niya sa akin, once na nag-take ka, 30 minutes before meal, you feel full. So, hindi na ako nagki-crave pati ng like, gaya ngayon, gising pa ako ng 12:00 mamaya. Usually, pag gising ako ng midnight, kumakain pa ako, pero ang observation ko nung nagti-take ako nito, dahil I feel full, hindi na ako nagki-crave sa madaling araw. Hindi na ako kumakain, pero I feel full, I feel energized, walang side effect, talaga namang napakaganda po. Kaya, nako, 180 capsules for only 19.95. Oh, 'di ba? Nako, exciting 'to, kayo mag-order po kayo nito o kaya kung may mga friends po kayo, don't worry because ang daming quality seals nito. Vegan po siya, natural, organic, gluten-free, cruelty-free. Ayan, ang dami-dami. Ayan. Ang ganda niyan. Naku po. At pag kinumpare niyo siya sa ibang products, no, tignan niyo naman, 70, yung isa $60. At yung ito po, yung previous company ni Ben, ang product po namin doon, yung yung fiber trim, pink bottle siya. Alam niyo po kung magkano? $69 ang isa. At ang effect nun, hindi kagaya ng effect nito. Bakit? Kasi yung dating ingredients nun, nilagay po dito, plus dinagdagan pa ni Dr. Ryan Goodkin. Kaya ganun po siya ka-effective. So kung makikita nyo, kung member po kayo nung group na Lean Style o kaya Product Testimonials, makikita nyo po, nako po, hindi lang po ako ang nag-testimony niyan. Kaya kung gusto nyo pong masubukan, you could order po. Ayan. Kailan pwedeng bumili ng 10 to 15? In 2 weeks po, isa-switch na po uli yun na pwede kayong mag-order ng multiple orders. So, ngayon po kasi hindi pa dumating yung mga ibang order, kaya naka lang po na isa-isa. Pero ini-announce na po na give it 2 weeks, tatanggalin yung 1 at pwede na po kayong mag-order. And sabi ni Ben, we want to make sure na available yung products. And for those sa mga hindi nakakaalam, nung ni-launch po itong product na to, no? Within 30 minutes, naubos po yung 100,000. And I am blessed dahil nakakuha po ako ng 5 dahil habang dinidiscuss pa ni Ben, nag-try ako, open na siya, trinay ko yung 5, so nag-go through. Pero yung delivery niya on the 24th pa rin. So, nag-go through siya. So, nung after mga kinontrol na mga after 30 minutes na sold out siya. Ngayon, nung ibinalik nila, isa-isa na lang. Kasi nga po, kinulang yung supply. So, imagine po yun, that product alone, sabi nga kanina ni Jessie, pwede kang mag-launch na lean company eh. Parang ganun sa nangyari kay SBC noon. Isa lang po ang product niya, no? So can you imagine kung kayo po ay may kilala na 100 people and then mami-member lang sila for this product. Ay nako, yan. Si Coach Fernan, maraming ideas pagdating sa ganyan po. Yan. Okay, and of course, we have chocolate whey protein. Napakaganda po din nito because it is a whey protein isolate with colostrum. So alam niyo naman po yung colostrum, di ba? Sabi na naman ni Dr. Ryan Goodkin, this is very, very powerful because gut-friendly siya at madaling i-digest. Hindi kagaya ng ibang whey protein na ang hirap-hirap i-digest, and meron itong for immune support, sa gut mo. Kasi kadalasan yung kinakain natin, ang daming toxins, no? Even the consumption of coffee. Alam nyo ba na ang coffee beans pala ang pinakamaduming ano, kumbaga sa beverage, yung coffee ang pinakamaduming beverage kasi 'pag pina-process daw 'yan o kaya maraming nilalagay na herbicides, pesticides. So ang nangyayari 'pag napa-process nagkakaroon ng toxin. So yung mga commercialized coffee, okay lang na magkape kayo diyan 2 beses sa isang buwan pero 'wag daw araw-araw. Kasi yon 'pag naiipon yung toxin sa katawan, dun na tayo magkakasakit. Dapat daw ay organic coffee. So can you imagine yun, nag-segue lang ako, no? Yan. So, ano pa? Yan. So, yun, napakaganda ng products natin and I get excited about this and I can't wait na talagang magla-launch na whatever engine na ila-launch na naka-ano po tayo sa product. I am so excited to wait for that. And how do we order the products? Napakadali lang po as a consumer or member. Ang good news, kahit retail po natin makukuha yan, no? We still pay low prices, no? Yan. Pero syempre, mas may good news. When you become a member, you will pay lower prices. So bakit ka magiging consumer lang if you could have the opportunity to become a member? And paano maging member, no? And what is your benefit being a member? You will save up to 75% pag kinumpare mo siya sa ibang company. Yan, so 75%. Imagine, $1 save is $1 earned, no? Take note, savings, pag ito'y kinumpare mo sa company, hindi po tayo 75% off ha, 75 savings po pag kinumpara mo yung mga products natin sa ibang company. So ito yung mga example, yan, so si, ano to, oh my God, essential oil, $49.95, yung competitor natin, 209 and 252. Ilan ang percent niyan na savings mo sa ibang company? 75 and 80%. Okay? Super Greens, $18. I-compare mo po sa iba, 70 and 99. So, ilang percent ang savings mo? 78 and 83%. Napakaganda niyang Super Greens natin. Merong ashwagandha, meron yung moringa, which is yung miracle plant, meron tayong aloe vera, meron tayong spirulina, ayan, so yung ating natural antibiotic. So, ay, nako po, ang ganda. Ayan, and of course, we have collagen, 27.95. Pag kinumpare mo, 70 and $80 sa iba. A savings of 60 and 65%. And ito namang HMB, yung ating creatine plus HMB, 1995 compared sa 65 and $49. Savings uli ng 50%, no? Ayan, so tignan nyo ha yung nasi-save nyo. Kahit po i-google nyo yan, makikita nyo po na talagang angat ang products natin. Okay? Ayan, ngayon, mag-compare naman tayo sa member price at retail price naman. Itong multivitamin, $10 versus $15. Men and women. Bakit magkaiba uli? Dahil po magkaiba ang physiological need natin. Ang babae kailangan ng iron to compensate the menstrual loss. Ang lalaki kailangan ng selenium for their prostate health. Okay? So ilan ang savings? $5. Ang coffee natin, binanggit ko na po kanina kung ano yung benefit ng ating coffee, no? 6 kinds of mushroom, king of herbs, ang mushroom. So napakaganda, very clean, walang toxin, walang herbicides, walang pesticides, walang molds. Okay? Ayan. And of course, ilan ang savings natin dyan? More or less, mga $6 to $7 dahil ang members price natin, 18. Retail price is $25. Okay, so 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, $7 savings. Okay, itong ating magnesium complex, ultra magnesium complex, $9 versus 15. So difference, $6, no? Pag member price ka. Ayan, so ilan ang nasa-save mo? $6. Maganda ba ang ultra magnesium? Of course, dahil responsible ito sa 300 chemical reactions ng katawan na pag hindi mo pinahalagahan at ikaw ay depleted sa magnesium, it will lead you to more serious diseases like high blood pressure, diabetes, heart problem, migraine, anxiety, lahat na ng sakit. All of it because of lack of magnesium. Ayan. Of course, we have CBD oil for pets. Ayan, members price 14 compared sa $20, $6 savings. Nagkakaroon din ng anxiety ang ating mga pets, 'di ba? Yan, so kaya meron tayo niyan. So merong for pets, merong for humans. Ayan, and of course, we have D3K2, our sunlight vitamin, and on top of that, hindi ang benefit din yan, it could also help sa weight management. Isabay mo yan doon sa magnesium complex. Actually, meron tayong essential pack, no? Yung multivitamin, magnesium, and then D3K2. Pag pinagsabay mo yan, you will get, you will have an optimum, you will be in optimum health. Ayan, so $27 lang sa tatlo na yan. Ayan, okay. So, eto pa, tignan nyo po ha. Nako po, I suggest, I recommend, I highly recommend itong International Wellness Pack for only 89.95 pag members price. Pag retail, it's 130. So, ilan ang saving pag member ka? $40. 6 na produkto po yan, no? Yan, so wala kang itulak habigin dyan, hindi product yan na basta nilagay lang para may product. No, ang gaganda niya, no? Multivitamin, which is our number 1 or yung talagang parang best-selling, fast-selling natin. Super Greens, binanggit ko na po kanina. Yung Super Reds, maganda po yan sa puso, no? Cardiovascular health, and it is fast-acting. So, ang maganda niyan is, of course, para sa ating nitric oxide. Kasi nga, as we age, ayan din, nadideplete na yung ating nitric oxide. Kaya yung oxygen level din natin, no? Kung minsan, nagpapalpitate tayo, ayan. So, kailangan natin ang Super Reds. Lahat ng kakilala nyo na may puso, i-recommend nyo ang Super Reds, no? Yan, okay? So, we also have Factor 4. Napakaganda niyan dahil yan yung product na, anong tawag nito? For anti-inflammatory. Meron siyang, kaya tinawag na Factor 4 yan kasi yung 4 na ingredient na for anti-inflammatory ingredients, andyan, no? Instead na bilin mo siya isa-isa, yung fish oil, binibili separate yan, yung garlic oil, binibili, yung Q10, binibili, yung turmeric, binibili, nilagay po siya sa 4 na yan. So, ang Factor 4 is the first product ever in the market, in the planet, no? Wala kayong makikitang anti-inflammatory product na pinagsama-sama yung 4 na yan. Only in Live Good. Oh, di ba? Yan. Of course, the D3K2, binanggit ko na po, and of course, yung Ultra Magnesium. So, I highly recommend you to try this one at hindi po kayo magsisisi. And I'm pretty sure yung mga nakabili na, marami ng testimonies about that. Sir Tibbs, andiyan ka ba? Yung kanyang ginamit, no? Nawala yung kanyang frozen shoulder, nakakapag-push up na. Yung mga iba nagpa-palpitate. So, I highly recommend na i-try nyo po ito because this is free shipping. Yan. So, tignan nyo, ang savings lang nito, $40, no? Imagine. Ayan. So, maybe curious kayo ngayon. Siyempre, I would suggest you to become a member of Live Good. You just have to register with your sponsor's link and magbabayad ka lang ng $9.95 per month for you to avail of those discounts. Huge discount, no? Pag halimbawa, yung International Wellness Pack mo, nagbayad ka ng $9.95 every month. So, bibili ka ngayong month kasi good for 1 month yon. Mabibili mo siya ng $89.95 imbes na $140. So, nakasave ka ng $40 o ilan lang yung binayaran mo, $9.95. So, panalo ka pa rin. Meron ka pa rin $30 na savings. How is that? Ngayon, pag bibili ka ng product, alam mo naman pong isa-isa. Diba? Sayang naman yung ibang products na may shipping charges. Diba? So, yes, Factor 4 is the best. Yeah, I highly recommend din yan. Naku, nawala ang sciatic ako po dyan sa Factor 4 na yan. Talaga, promise. Kaya kung may mga pain po kayo, use Factor 4. Okay, so once you pay the $9.95, you get the products at wholesale price. Ngayon, I would suggest, pwede nyo din kunin siya annually. Bakit? Dahil pag binayaran nyo yung yearly subscription, no? 99.95, libre na yung 2 months mo doon. Kasi, di ba, pag babayaran mo monthly, 9.95 times 12, 120 po yan. Ngayon, pag 1 year, ang babayaran mo lang 99.95. So, for the whole year na yon. So, mas panalo kapag annual mo siyang babayaran. So, you have to love yourself to health. You have to supplement. Kailangan natin ng supplementation. Huwag niyong isacrifice yung sarili po ninyo dahil puhunan niyo po yan. Ang health, hindi po yan, hindi lang inuuso yan, no? It is not a passing trend. Hindi porke, uy, kailangan ko maging healthy dahil trending. Wala pong ganun. It should be a commitment to yourself. Health should be a commitment to yourself. Tandaan niyo po yan, no? Health is non-negotiable. Tandaan niyo po yan. Health is non-negotiable. So love yourself to health and be a member of LiveCode. Okay? So we're done for the first part of the presentation. So the good news is that we're approaching the second part of the presentation. We're in, bukod doon sa mga discounts, sa savings at bukod sa pagiging member nyo, you will have the opportunity to earn in LiveCode. Diba? Dahil may naka-attach na affiliate program. And ito yung part kung saan pwede kang, let's term it as, pwede ka na rin maging franchise ni LiveCode. Diba? Because it is open in more than 200 countries. Global po siya. And of course, you will get the opportunity to earn $2,000 or more per month. Sino po ang gustong mag-earn ng 2,000 per month? Sige nga, kung meron, kung gising na gising. Ayan, okay. So, ayan, si Ma'am Myra, si Ma'am Eden. Ayan po, okay. So, we're approaching the second part. Let's dive in para po sa second part ng presentation natin, which is the business part or the opportunity wherein you can earn. Again, sabi ko nga po, triple win. So, napag-usapan na natin how to save money. Napag-usapan na natin how to get healthy. Ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin how to make money in LiveCode. Of course, you have to be an affiliate member. Dahil may affiliate program, kailangan maging affiliate ka. And for you to be an affiliate, you just have to pay either $49.95 or $140 to get started. Okay? So $40 one time and then $9.95. Yun yung first month subscription. Or if you want to make it a 1 year, wala ka ng problema, and go with a 12-month membership and pay the $139.95. Anong breakdown yan? $40 one time pa rin, one-time fee, and then $99.95 yung discounted price nung iyong membership for the whole year. Okay? So, it's $49.95 or $139.95. Ayan. So, ano ang benefits mo once you become a member? Of course, yung access to membership club, meaning yung discounts, no? Na magiging, you will get the products at wholesale price. Plus, you will have your digital marketing products. Siyempre, dahil digital na tayo, kailangan ang produkto natin, ang product natin, digital na rin, no? So, ano yung digital products na binibigay sa atin ni LiveGood? We have our own website, personalized. Meron kang 3 website, personalized. You have your corporate site, your retail site, and of course, your tour landing page. Ano yung corporate site? Makikita mo yung retail price ng products at members price. Yung retail site, parang yun yung Lazada shop mo, yun yung ang tawag, parang Amazon site mo. So, it's your drop shipping site kung saan dun mo dadalhin yung mga friends mo or yung mga customers mo in case na gusto nila na bumili ng product na ayaw nilang mag-member. Now, the question is, are we required to sell? No, hindi po kayo required. Pero kung sa inyo ay meron po kayong dugong reseller, kayo po talaga mahilig magbenta, hindi maiwasan, then you could have the option to sell. Ang maganda niyan, hindi ka magbubuhat ng mga products mo, Yung retailer site mo na yon, sasabihin mo lang, okay, gusto mo yung coffee? Okay, eto yung site ko, i-click mo lang, and then doon ka na bumili, add to cart, i-deliver sa'yo ng Livcode. That's how your retailer site works. And yung pangatlong site mo is your tour landing page site or yung franchise site mo. So, ito yung site mo na ibibigay sa mga friends mo all over the world, no? So, sasabihin mo, halimbawa, taga Hong Kong ka, si Ma'am Eden. Yan. Niyaya niya sino po yung niyaya niyo? Si Sir Noel, right? Sa Canada. Ayan. Oy, friend, brother, meron akong business. Ayan. So, binigay niya yung site ni Ma'am Eden. Ibinigay niyo po yung site niyo. Kayo din po, nandito, na bago, no? So, once na binigay mo, so, ibig sabihin, yung pinagbigyan mo, mag-i-enroll siya, then, para mo na siyang branch, di ba? Ganon po yun. That's how it works. No? So, every person na magre-register doon sa tour link mo or your franchise site, parang outlet mo na rin. But we are not talking of millions here. Alam niyo naman, pag franchise ang pinag-usapan, million. But we're not talking of millions here. We're talking of 139.95 or 49.95. Saan ka nakakita ng ganyang negosyo? Worldwide, global, international, di ba? Yan. Okay. I hope you're getting it, no? Yan. So yun, no? Digital marketing products natin. Wala tayong physical products dahil pinaghiwalay natin ang products sa compensation plan. Wala tayong physical products dahil digital na po tayo. Wala po tayong physical products dahil po wala po tayong heavy entries. Ganun po yun. And syempre, magli-level up na rin po tayo dahil nasa digital era na po tayo. Okay? So, yun. That would explain kaya wala tayong physical product. Okay? Ayan. And of course, ano pa ang benefit being an affiliate? Participate in the compensation plan, na very generous, very simple, and powerful. Ayan. And commission, napakadali. Dahil very flexible siya. Pwedeng sa bank nyo, pwede sa iPayout, pwede kung meron kayong crypto wallet, or pwede din sa dashboard. No? Yan. So, ilalagay mo lang dyan yung commission mo. Paano mapapalitan yan? Just try to coordinate with your sponsor, with your leaders, o kaya pwedeng yung mga kasama mo, no? Peer-to-peer, hindi kailangang isang leg kayo, kahit sino, pwede mong ipa-encash. So, ganun po ka-flexible ang ating payout, no? And of course, yung payout natin, always on time. Actually, hindi nga on time, mas early. Okay? Minsan maaga pa yan ng 1 week. Now, ito na ngayon, meron tayong team building structure, syempre. Meron ba kayong mga pangarap? Di ba? Of course, if you have a dream, you have to build a team. Paano ang ating team building structure? Of course, unilevel in a force matrix. So, hybrid po yan, ha? Hindi lang tayo nakadepende sa unilevel wherein sponsor ka ng sponsor, hindi mo natutulungan yung iyong team. Right? So, ang nangyayari pag sponsor ka ng sponsor, mataas ang attrition, low ang retention, kaya nagkikwit yung mga tao. Yun. Kaya nga meron tayong force matrix din para itong force matrix, nakadesign siya 2x15, pero mag-uumpisa tayo sa 2x12 wherein spots are filled from top to bottom, left to right on a first come, first serve basis. So, kung sino yung mauna, dun siya mauna dun sa may matrix. Okay? So, ito, hybrid siya, pero different enroller tree yan. So, dalawa tayong enroller tree, ha? We have 2 genealogy tree. We have the enroller tree kung saan na-determine yung iyong ranks, yung iyong matching commission. So, mamaya, i-discuss natin yan, no? And of course, generational bonus. And ang matrix 3 naman natin, nakadepende yung ating matrix income. So, ganun po yun. Okay? So, we have 8 ways to earn. Ang i-discuss po natin dyan very particular is itong weekly fast start, matching bonuses, matrix commission, yung retail commission, influencer, cab, diamond bonus pool, in passing natin pong gagawin yan. Okay? So, yung ating Fast Start Commission, mabilis lang. For every person na isponsoran po ninyo, meron kayong $25 Fast Start bonus or quick money. Binibigay po ito weekly. Yan. Okay? So, pwedeng isa lang, pwedeng dalawa, pwedeng tatlo, pwedeng apat. It's all up to you at your own pace, at your own time. Yan. Pero mas maganda kung gusto mong weekly, meron kang kita, then the more, the merrier, the more, mas maraming fast start bonus, right? Yan. So, ang fast start hindi lang dyan nagtatapos dahil meron tayong, anong tawag nito? Yung fast start bonuses natin, no? Hindi lang nagtatapos dun sa direct dahil may ranking po tayo dito. We start with the unranked, and then bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond. Okay, magsasampling tayo. Bronze. Gaano kadali ang mag-bronze? You only have to sponsor 2 people in your organization. Pwedeng yung family mo, pwedeng yung best friend mo. Now, the good news is pag nag-rank up ka, no? So, na-open yung mga level mo. So, gaya niyan, nag-sponsor ka ng dalawa, you become bronze. Right? So, yung dalawa mo, mag-i-sponsor din yan para meron silang $25. Ikaw, kahit na hindi na ikaw ang nag-sponsor directly, dahil bronze ka, ma-open yung level 2 mo. So, meron kang overriding commission na $5. Pero hindi na ikaw nag-sponsor niyan. That's how it works. So, the higher you rank up, na-open yung level mo, and that will determine kung how much ang kikitain mo per week. Okay? So, 10 levels deep po yan. Okay? So, nakikita nyo, based on the rank you are in, will determine how many levels you can earn each week. So, the higher you rank up, mas na-open yung level mo, mas dumadami yung commission po natin. Okay? So, ganun lang po kasimple ang fast start. Ang retirement money, ganito lang yan. Retirement money, tinawag na retirement money yan because it will develop over time. Ito yung matrix commission natin. Remember, you have a matrix 3. So, ang matrix commission are 25 cents. Saan ang gagaling? Sa mga active member na nagbabayad ng $9.95 per month. Okay, so remember, pag naging affiliate ka, may sarili kang matrix. So merong mga tao dyan na makakasama mo sa matrix. Sino-sino yung mga tao na yan? So yun po yung iyong team members o yung mga na-sponsoran nyo directly or indirectly. Okay? Or pwede ding manggaling dyan, pwede ding ang mapunta sa matrix mo are those people na manggagaling sa enroller 3 mo. Who is your enroller 3? Pwedeng yung direct sponsor mo or indirect sponsor. Ngayon, pag nanggaling sa'yo or nanggaling sa'yo directly, and of course, yung work nyo as a team, no? Yan. So, meron kang 25 cents. Pag nanggaling sa enroller 3 mo o doon sa nakakataas mo, or your uplines, ang tawag sa kanila, ang tawag sa mga subscriber na yon are spillovers. So, spillovers are affiliates na nanggagaling sa iyong enroller 3, whether direct or indirect. Okay, sa mga itaas. Now, spillovers are bonuses. Ibig sabihin nun, pwedeng mabilis, pwedeng mabagal. Now, kailan ka magkakaroon ng spillover? Depende sa takbo ng matrix mo. Okay? I want you to take note dito sa matrix commission. This is the part of the compensation plan na you build your business the slow way. I want you to note that spillovers again are bonus, no? Kung gusto mong bumilis yung negosyo mo, kung gusto mo talagang i-maximize yung negosyo mo, do not focus on this because this is your retirement money, okay? It will develop over time. Pwede kang mag-focus dito kung, I'm sorry, pwede mong, anong tawag dito? Itong part na to is your slow way to build your business, the weakest part of the compensation plan. Okay? So, ang pag-focusan mo, doon sa sunod na i-discuss natin. Ngayon, I want you to take a look at the matrix commission. I'm sorry, matrix kung anong itsura. Again, it is power of 2 by 12 yan. Where spots are filled from top to bottom, okay, left to right. Okay, so sa first level, 2, hindi 3, hindi 4. Okay? Sa second level, yun ang 4. So, ibig sabihin nun, pag may pangatlo ka na sponsoran sa matrix 3 mo, yung pangatlo mo, mapupunta doon sa tao na andun na. Okay? We're talking about matrix 3 here, not the enroller 3. Okay? So, ganyan lang. Potential income ng matrix commission. So, mag-uumpisa ka sa unrank. Ang potential income natin, pag unrank ka, 2,047. Bronze and silver, 4,095. And then gold and platinum, 8,191.50. And diamond, 16,383. Paano nangyayari yan, Janet? Okay, if you look at the numbers on the green part, yung 2x2 matrix, ganyan po ang karami ng tao. So, di ba, pag unrank ka, hanggang level 12 ka lang. Right? So, pag hanggang level 12 ka lang, kailangan, pag puno na yung matrix mo, makukuha mo yung 2,047.50 if meron ka ng 4,096 na tao at puno yung matrix mo from level 1 to 12. Ganun po ang ibig sabihin nun. Janet, kailan ko matatapos yan? Again, depende po sa takbo ng matrix. Ang mag-a-assign po niyan is the system. Ikaw ang mag-workout, the team. Kaya nga kailangan ng teamwork dito, no? Ayan. Now, you have to, we all have to work it out and then it will develop over time. Do not expect this na darating siya in 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. Again, this is the slow way to build a business and this is the weakest part of the comp plan. So, ito naka-design po ito for those people who cannot even recruit, but it is not meant na makukuha nyo siya agad-agad. Kaya nga tinawag nating retirement income. Okay, so, ayan, ito yung other way of illustrating it. Again, nakikita nyo dyan, earnings with full matrix. Potential income. Again, the word is potential income. Potential. Possibility. Pwede mong kitain. Hindi siya guaranteed. Okay? Now, if you want to have a life-changing income, focus on the next one na pag-uusapan natin, which is the wealthy money or the matching bonuses. Ano ang matching bonuses? This is the bonus na nakukuha mo monthly, 50% from what your directs earn every month from their matrix. Paano to, Janet? Okay, take note, ha? Wala tayong pag-uusapang matching bonus kung kayo po ay walang balak mag-sponsor. Kung kayo po ay walang balak mag-share ng business. Okay? So, wag ho kayong mag-expect ng matching bonus kung hindi nyo i-share ang Live Good business because matching bonus is intended for affiliates na nag-share ng business sa Live Good. Each person na pinag-sharean nyo will open your gateway to your matching bonus. Paano ang matching bonus? Lahat ng directs mo, may sariling matrix din yan. Kung ikaw po may sariling matrix, sila din. So, ang sinasabi sa matching bonus, ibibigay or mamatchan or tatapatan ni Live Good ang 50% ng matrix income ng direct mo. Okay, illustrate that. Ganito po yan. Ayan, 4 po na direct nyo yan, ha? 4 na kaibigan nyo po. Ngayon, na-excite sila, syempre, shinare yung business. Sa excitement nila, ganyan ang lumabas sa matrix nila. Okay, yung first direct mo, na-excite siya, may 1,000 matrix commission siya. Ano ang sinasabi sa matching bonus? 50%, sabi ni Live Good. Dahil direct mo yan, 50%, tatapatan namin ng 50% yung kanyang matrix commission. Hindi po niya babawasin dan, ha? Tatapatan niya yung kalahati ng matrix income niya. So, 1,000, ilan ang 50%? $500. Okay, itong pangalawa, 500, ilan ang 50%? $250. Pangatlo, $100, 50%, $50. Pang-apat, 200, 50%, 100. So, pag kinompute nyo po yan, ilan? 5, 7, 58, $900 sa 4 na po yan, sa 4 na yan, no? Ayan. So, depende nga po. Ngayon, Janet, paano pag hindi pa ganyan kalaki yung matrix? It's okay, 50% pa rin. Wala pong capping. Halimbawa, Janet, $5 lang. O di kalahati ng $5, tatapatan ni Live Good. Eh kung $1, eh di 50 cents, tatapatan yan. Eh kung 25 cents, eh di hatiin pa natin yung 25 cents. Gaano man kaliit, kalaki, tatapatan ni Live Good. Mamatchan niya yung 50% niya. Kaya maganda po ang mag-sponsor, mag-share ng negosyong to kasi every person na ini-sponsoran ninyo will open your gateway for matching bonuses. So wala pong limit. You could sponsor as many as you want, as wide as you want, unlimited, limitless. Okay? So ang maganda niyan, hindi pa din nagtatapos dyan ang matching bonus natin. Merong generational bonus. Mag-uumpisa siya pag silver ka na. Ibig sabihin nun, bukod dun sa 50% na ma-match siya ni Live Good, pag silver ka, entitled ka pa sa 10%, no? Sa generation, as generation bonus. Buong angka niyan, hindi yan pa isa-isa, ha? Ayan, so sa first generation mo, meron kang 10% as silver. Ayan. Then, pag gold ka, 5%, platinum, 5%, diamond, 3%. So, the higher you go, mas marami kang generational bonus. Okay? So, ganun ka generous. So, pag diamond ka, you're being paid 50% sa direct, silver 10%, gold 5%, platinum 5%, diamond 3%, up to 5 generations. Biro mo yun, anak mo, apo sa tuhod, apo sa talampakan, at apo sa kuko. Ganun ko na lang illustrate to para mas madali nyo pong maintindihan. Hanggang 5 generations po yan. Ang laki po niyan. So, ito pong matching bonus will change your life. Ang Matrix Commission will pay your bills, but the matching bonus will change your life. Anong gusto mo? Pambayad ng bills o yung mababago ang buhay? Of course, hindi na kailangan i-memorize yan. Obviously, we would go for this one. So, ang maganda dito, take note habang nag-share kang ng negosyo, na-fulfill yung matrix mo. Kaya dito po kayo mag-focus, wag po doon at hinihintay nyo po yung spillover o hinihintay nyo po may mahulog sa matrix. Focus on the matching para 2 birds with 1 stone. Habang nag-sponsor ka, it opens your gateway to matching. At the same time, nalalagyan yung matrix mo. So, lumalaki yung matrix income mo. Ganun po yon. Yan. So, retail commission, mabilis lang yan. Madali, every person na dalin mo dun sa retail website mo, hati lang kayo ni company, 50%. No? Yung coffee, $28. So, retail yan dahil hindi nga siya member. Yung difference nung retail at member, 28 minus 18. So, may difference na $10. $5 ang sayo. And yung $5 mapupunta kay company. Ganun lang po yan kasimple. Ayan. And then, up to 10 levels deep yan. So, depende ulit sa rank mo. 50% pag direct mo. And then, as you go along, as you rank up, again, open yung level 2 hanggang level 10. Dahil 10 levels deep din po yan. Okay, influencer bonuses, ganun din. If you have TikTok account, Facebook, Instagram, whatever platform na ginagamit nyo, once na na-reach mo yung certain amount ng retail sales, meron kang additional commission. So, di ba, meron ka ng 50%. Ngayon, pre-nomote mo sa social media account mo. Pag na-hit mo yung 2,500 sales for the month, additional 10%. And then 5,000, 10,000, 25, and 50,000, additional 50% for a total of 100%. And of course, yung customer acquisition bonuses sa lahat ng mga first time na magpo-purchase. I mean, yung direct mo. Yung direct mo na first time magpo-purchase, entitled ka sa customer acquisition bonuses. First lang, actually, binigay na ni Bento bonus. We don't really earn from the purchase ng mga downlines natin. But because Ben is very generous, sabi niya, o sige, para lumaki din yung fast start mo, yung first purchase ng iyong direct, meron kang commission. 10%. Yan, of what is being paid out. So, 10% ng purchase niya, following the fast start and retail commission, so $200 ang pinurchase niya, initial. Get mo yung 10%, so may $20 ka, 50% of that, $10. Saan pupunta yung remaining 10? I-distribute yon following the fast start, following the same structure sa fast start. So, kung sino yung dadaanan nun, madidistribute yung $10. Okay? Ganyan, no? Okay, so based again sa rank and then 10 levels. Yan. Of course, piece of the pie money or the diamond bonus pool, this is where we want to be. Diba? Ayan. So, ang maganda niyan, pag diamond ka na, profit sharer ka na. So, we get to promote the products and of course the membership. Ito total yan ng company. So, halimbawa, ang total sales for the month, 15 million. Kunin yung 2% yan. So, dito sa illustration, it's 300,000. Granted na merong 60 diamonds, dinivide nila yung $300,000 divided by 60 diamonds. Each diamond merong 5,000. On top of, syempre, iba pa yung fast start, matrix, commission, matching bonuses, generational bonuses, retail commissions, CAB, yan. So, on top of those, no? Yan, okay. So, ito pa, rich and famous money, Crown Diamond bonus pool, 0.5% ng total sales sa lahat ng membership and product sales divided equally among Crown Diamonds. So, to date, we have two Crown Diamonds. Syempre, si Tim Miller, the first Crown Diamond in Live Good. And of course, we have Coach Fernan Santiago, the first Crown Diamond in the Philippines. And of course, second Crown Diamond worldwide. So, ganito lang yan. Pag Crown Diamond, 15 million, kunin yung 0.5%. And then, that makes 75,000. I-divide equally among Crown Diamonds. So, sa illustration na yan, kunwari 75,000 yung 5.5%, dinivide sa dalawang Crown Diamond. Each Crown Diamond will have 37,500 on top of their fast start, matrix commission, matching, and other bonuses. So, malaki po yan, no? That's very huge. Again, going back dun sa diamond, no? Ang sinabi ni Ben, in 2 to 3 years time, ang average na diamond bonus pool ng affiliate na diamond is $10,000 per month. So, sabi niya, it is time to build your team now, sabi niya. Yan. So, let's get serious, get things done. Let's take massive action. Dahil, naku po, for the next 2 years, it is very crucial, very important na seryosohin natin ang Live Good. Okay, 5 reasons to join. We just officially launched globally. Again, pag hindi pa saturated yung market, no? Kung sinasabi na ko, 1 million na tayo, saturated na yan. Hindi po. Ang saturated po, ang algorithm ninyo. So, we have a lot of ways to market, na? Ayan. Of course, we have high quality and very affordable health products. Wala tayong itulak kabigin sa mga products natin. And of course, we have marketing system tools and trainings. Nako po, samantalahin niyo po ang ganitong trainings, no? Yung ating system in place na yan. Ang ganda ng website natin, aralin nyo lang lahat ng tiles, pindutin ninyo ano yung how to rank up, paano yung compensation plan, paano yung team building ko, ilan na yung tao ko, ano na yung rank ko, andun po lahat sa back office yan. Yung system natin, once na binigay mo yung tour link mo, ifa-follow up na ng may autoresponder yan. Once na nag-pre-enroll yung iyong prospect, tutulungan ka ni Live Good na mag-follow up dahil may autoresponder tayo. Again, yung tools natin, andyan na yung back office. Learn to appreciate your back office. Kahit po affiliate na po kayo, i-memorize nyo po yung back office nyo para pag nagtanong sa inyo ang partner nyo, kahit na wala ka sa harap ng back office, alam mo. No? Paano i-set up ang credit wallet? Pumunta ka, mag-login ka, and then tignan mo yung tatlong tiles, and then i-click mo yung my earnings, tapos makikita mo, merong pangalawa dyan, transfer commission. Yan. And then i-click mo, may makikita ka dyan, credit wallet, makikita mo option 3, yung credit all my commissions to my credit wallet. Yan. So, kung memorize mo yan, know by heart, you know your back office by heart, madali, hindi mo kailangan, teka lang kasi wala akong data. So since memorize mo, alam mo na siya i-demo. That's how you learn the business. Learn it by heart. And of course, training. Naku po, samantalahin niyo po ang mga ganitong pagkakataon na merong DMW training. May Zoom trainings po tayo. Of course, we try to be the best information giver, no? So, lahat po kami na speakers naka-plug in, ina-attendan ang mga corporate Zooms para maibigay namin sa inyo ang first-hand information. That is, usually ganun po ang ginagawa namin, no? So, samantalahin nyo po on top of yung everyday na Zoom natin, 2 sets, bukod po doon sa 3 sets ng Thursdays and Fridays, bukod doon sa special training natin ng Monday and Wednesday with Coach Elmo, no? So yung Monday kaming tatlo po nila, Coach Fernan, Coach Ferds, and then sa Wednesday, and yung ating new affiliate orientation program. Ayan, so sa mga bago. And then everyday meron tayo. So please samantalahin niyo po ito dahil po, this is our service to you. Sana ma-appreciate niyo po. Okay? And of course, very simple, powerful, and lucrative yung ating pay plan. You only have to learn it, no? Yan. And we have 5th reason to join. We have a very successful, fun, and winning team. Ayan po ang international leaders natin. And of course, our own team, DMW family. Okay? So, now, sa mga bago, are you an A, B, or C? I would highly suggest that you will be an A para po ma-maximize nyo po ang opportunity na ito because you know, this might be your first and last opportunity na makikita po natin na ay nako, life-changing talaga. You are there in the Philippines, you will be earning in dollars, no? Ayan. Anong sikreto bakit blooming ka po? Siyempre, live good. Live good po yan. Well, anyway, you really have to supplement yourself and at the same time, always have a winning attitude, no? So, always choose positivity. Diba? Ayan. So, kasi pag positive ka, you look at things very positive, gumaganda ang tingin mo sa buhay, even if it seems na hindi naman lahat maganda sa buhay. But then, pag sinabi nating positive, hindi naman ibig sabihin na hindi ganoon eh. Ibig sabihin, pag positive ka, na ma-manage mo, nakakapag-isip ka ng maayos kung paano i-resolve ang isang problema. Positive ka, pag nagdidwell ka doon sa solution, imbis na doon sa problema. Positive ka, pag tinitignan mo, pati ang isang tao na kahit hindi siya yung best na tao, kahit nakakainis siya, hahanapin mo pa rin yung maganda sa kanya. You have to find the best in the person. Ganon po yun. So, at least ikaw, pag ganon, hindi ka nagkakaroon ng stress, yung stress hormone mo hindi din napapagod dahil once yung stress mo din anong tawag to? Yung stress hormone mo ano ibig sabihin, yun ang gumagana, ang tendency nun, yung organs mo, lalo na yung liver mo at saka sa heart. Diba? Ayan, so, it doesn't how to be you po. Wala, everyone's is a masterpiece. Pinapractice lang po yan. You have to have really work on your patterns. Ma'am Michelle, your belief system, your patterns, alam mo na yan, di ba? Ayan, so again, when you start this business, mental preparation. You have to be psychologically ready. Paano yun? Unang-unang i-workout mo yung belief system mo. Napaka-importante yan. Yung belief mo sa sarili mo. Yun ang kailangan mo i-build up. And of course, you have to believe in the company, believe in the system, believe in the Complan. Kasi kahit na-believe ka sa sarili mo, kung hindi ka naman naniniwala sa Complan, sa company, at saka sa, alam mo yun, itong sistema natin, wala. It would affect your energy. Yung energy mo na yan, matatransfer mo din dun sa kausap mo. Hindi naman alam nito, sinasabi nito, parang hindi naman sigurado. Matatransfer po yun. So you really have to work on that. Believe in yourself. Because if you don't believe in yourself, who else will? Diba? And know your deepest why. Dapat alam mo kung bakit mo gagawin ng live good. And hindi lang alam, no? Yung pangatlo, kailangan mag-create ka ng sense of urgency. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Mag-create ka ng deadline. Alam mo na kung ano yung why mo. Alam mo na may pangarap ka. Ngayon, yung pangarap mo na yan, lalagyan mo ng deadline. Dahil once na hindi mo nilagyan ng deadline yan, yung dreams na yan, ang tawag dyan ay magiging lang, wishful thinking. Wishful thinking lang yan pag walang deadline. So, kailangan mag-set ka na. So, alam mo na yung why mo. Alam mo na yung dahilan. Bakit gumigising ng araw-araw? Bakit mo ginagawa ang live good? Mag-set ka ngayon ng goal. Ligyan mo ng deadline. No? Ayan. Kung kailan ka mag-bronze, mag-silver, mag-gold, mag-platinum, mag-diamond. And then, yung burning desire mo. Paano ka mag-create ng burning desire mo? Of course, kailangan lagi kang naka-plug in. Laging merong you connect with the community that would support you. Pag sa tingin mo, nako, napag-iwanan na ako ng upline ko, don't be. 'Di ba? In the first place, kailangan isipin mo kung paano ka nag-umpisa. Before na manlamig or before mawala yung desire mo na yan at mag-give up ka na, balikan mo kung bakit ka nag-umpisa sa Live Good. Ganon yon. O bakit ka mag-uumpisa sa Live Good. And of course, once na andito ka, establish your commitment. Yung malalim na commitment yung yung whatever it takes, hindi yung I will try, hindi yung I will do my best. Kasi mababaw yan ng mga commitment. Once na andito ka, once na whatever it takes yan, kahit na sino pa ang mag-negative sa'yo, hindi ka bibitaw agad dahil unang-una, inaral mo, naniwala ka sa sarili mo, inaral mo yung negosyo mo, pagka inaral mo, na-share mo, and you have a solid community na nagsusupport sa'yo. Okay? And of course, never listen to negative people. Ikaw ang nakarinig ng opportunity ito, ikaw ang nag-aaral ng opportunity na to, ikaw ang nakarinig kung ano yung benefit, ano yung possibility ng ganitong negosyo, bakit ka magpapa-negative sa mga taong wala dito. So that's one thing you have to remember, no? Ayan, again, yung susunod dyan, always have a winning attitude because attitude is everything. Attitude beats skills. Ang skills na di-develop yan. Kayang i-develop ang skill ng focus, commitment, yung mga other skills natin, communication skills, kayang i-develop yan eh. Pero ang attitude, nako po, once na more on, kumbaga, ang skills, concrete. Ang attitude, abstract. So, yung attitude, nasa innate yan, kumbaga, no? So, wino-workout natin yan, pero ang hirap baguhin. Kung hindi ka willing baguhin yan, mahirapan kang magbago ng attitude mo. Ang tendency niyan, maapektuhan yung business mo. That is why it is also said that attitude is 100% and attitude is everything. Attitude will always beat skills. So, always work on your attitude. Dapat meron ka laging winning attitude. And how to do that? How to do that? You have to be self-aware. I-review mo yung sarili mo. You have to be humble enough. Ano ba yung pinapaniwalaan ko? Ano ba yung success sa akin? Ano ba ang paniniwala ko sa negosyong ito? Ano ba ang gagawin ko? Or ano ang ginagawa ko? Bakit parang bigla akong nag-stagnate? Yung mga ganon. So, i-acknowledge mo yun. Aminin mo sa sarili mo na oo nga, parang naging complacent ako. Kailangan baguhin ko yon. So, i-recognize mo yung pattern mo na nagiging complacent ka and then gumawa ka ng panibagong pattern. So, hindi ako nakukontento na ako, okay na ako. So, kailangan baguhin mo yon. So, you take action. So, kailangan ko mag-invite uli. Kailangan ko palang kumuha ng mga ano, tapos kumuha ka ng isang leader na imo-model mo. Kunwari, ayan, ako gusto kong i-model na leader, si Champ Roll, o si Coach Fernan, o si Tim Miller. So anong ginagawa nila everyday? Nag-i-sponsor sila. So get a leader na gusto mong i-model and then tignan mo kung ano yung ginagawa niya. From there, kumuha ka ng bagong pattern, doon ka mag-create ng bagong pattern mo. So ganun po yun. Yan. So after that, so pattern interrupt and then create new pattern. And then after that, you take massive action. So after nagtitake ka ng massive action, so meron kang resulta. I-monitor mo din yung resulta mo. Ngayon, in taking massive action, hindi laging yung action mo may magandang resulta. Kung minsan, little yung progress mo, pero okay lang, i-acknowledge mo lang yun. Kasi progress is progress regardless kung maliit yan o malaki. Progress will always be progress. So wag kang ma-disappoint. Pag nag-take action ka dahil nga malinaw sa'yo yung mga patterns mo, madali mo nang ma-manage na kahit na ma-reject ka, you're taking action pa rin, na-reject ka, okay lang, mamamanage mo siya. And then may resulta ka na, di ba? Minomonitor mo yung result. And then after that, i-reward mo din yung sarili mo na, uy, I did good today. No? Kahit sa morning, every day. Ang tip ko po sa inyo, para ho hindi kayo yung parang nadadala niyo yung hindi magandang araw, ang pinaka-importanting part of the day, yung morning, i-work on nyo yun. You work on your morning seriously. And how do you do that? Pag nag-alarm ka in the morning, gumising ka na kaagad. Huwag ka nang uunahin mo yung phone or what. Gumising ka na kaagad, do your prayers, do your meditations. Kung nag-exercise ka, do it. And then reward yourself ng isang cup of coffee. After that, nakaset na yung tone mo for positivity, ready ka na. Ganun po. So you work on your mornings very seriously. Yan po ang maisasuggest ko. Napaka-importanteng araw, part of the day is your mornings, at napaka-importanteng araw, Lunes. Pag Lunes, umiwas ka muna sa negative. Ako, I don't answer texts na parang alam kong negative yung nagme-message. I don't. Kasi makikerry mo yon. And yun, always work on your mornings talaga. Napaka-importante. Especially your affirmations. Once you say your prayer, yung grateful ka, thank you, Lord. Lord, gising uli ako, nakakahinga uli ako. You say that in the morning. And then after that, yung I am affirmation nyo. Believe it or not, pero nag-work yun. I am healthy. I am beautiful. I am productive. I-affirm nyo yun lagi. Ganun po yun. It works. And then after that, yan, i-carry out nyo yung day. No? Ang attraction, it works, law of attraction. Pero, yung 6 na word, ano yon? Action. May kasamang action po yan. So, kaya for you to be able to manifest, law of attraction, take action, and then manifest. Ayan. Okay. Ay, ang dami kong ano sa inyo ngayon Okay. So, follow the GPS, get in, plug in, stay in, ang ating mantra. Lagi kong sinasabi yan, get in, andito ka na, or get in, decide. Yung mga hindi pa masyadong humahataw, that means na hindi pa po kayo decided, no? Yan. So plug in yung ating mga trainings, lahat ng Zoom, develop a skill, yan, andyan na lahat yan, plug in. And of course, stay in, pay your subscription. Pinaka-importanting part ng GPS is the plugging in. Dahil pag hindi ka naka-plug in, staying in will be a struggle for you. Okay? So again, roadmap to success. Uulitin ko, GPS. Get in, plug in, and stay in. Okay, so thank you. Get back with the person that invited you and let them know you are an A, B, or C. Ayan, so maraming salamat po. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for staying with me. And don't forget tonight, napaka-importante po, no? Yan, so tonight it will be Coach Fernan. And sino ba tonight? Coach Fernan, si Coach Mon? Yan. So, please don't forget to attend tonight. Plug in po kayo. Yan. Okay, so I think I'm done. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is your Coach Janet saying, See you at the top and let's go for diamond! Ayan. Okay, so stop muna tayo ng